If you want to change a Telegram group from public to private on your PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can update your group privacy in just a few moments. This is really useful if you want to make your group more controlled, more secure, or just limit who can find and join it. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Let's get started. First, open Telegram on your computer. Once it loads, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on the group chat you want to change. This will open the conversation in the main window. Now, at the top of the chat window, click on the group name or the group profile picture. That will bring up the group info panel, where all of the group settings are stored. Inside the group info panel, look for the Manage option and click it. This is where Telegram gives you access to the admin and group configuration tools. After that, click on Group Type. Here, you'll see the current privacy setting for your group, including whether it is public or private. To change it, toggle Private Group. As soon as you switch it on, Telegram will prepare the group to be private instead of public. This means the group will no longer be openly searchable in the same way, and people will need the proper invite or access permissions to join. Once you've made the change, click Save to confirm everything. That final step is important because it applies the new privacy setting to your group. After saving, your Telegram group will now be set to private. And that's it. You've now changed your Telegram group from public to private on PC. It's a quick process once you know where to look, and it can make a big difference in how you manage your community. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy Telegram tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.